guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is so exciting. I'm going to be testing out the Love Meg multi-surface spray, and I am so excited about this just because another YouTuber came out with a cleaning product, and that's really exciting and really awesome, and I'm excited for her. So I was so excited to, one, order it, but then when it came, I was like, I can't open this until I can film a video, but I can finally film the video. So I'm gonna be doing a review, testing it out for you guys, and probably doing a clean with me because my house is a little messy. So we are gonna get into that right now. So my first thoughts, it's very minty. So it's a cucumber melon, but it has mint as well. And you can really smell the cucumber and the mint. It's not bad. It's just more mint than I was expecting. Like, I knew there was a hint of mint in it, but I figured it would not be as minty, you know, but I'm not mad about it. I'm kind of loving it. So anyway, also, I really love the little bottles that the concentrate came in. I don't know if you can, the camera will focus there. I think it's really pretty. So yeah, I'm excited to test this out and see how it works on different surfaces. I'm actually really excited to test this on like glass and mirrors and stuff because the struggle is real when it comes to that, let me tell you. So yeah, let's just hop around the house. Let's start some cleaning, and I'll kind of share with you guys my thoughts as I start cleaning things. Okay, so I just used it to wipe off our kitchen table, and you guys, the smell, I can't get over it. It smells really, really good, but it also, like, I don't know, I feel like with most cleaning products, like if you smell them in the bottle, you can really smell the scent, but you can't once you spray it and wipe it up. This still has the smell. Like, the whole house will smell like this when I'm done. And I love that. I love, 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 love that. So, points for that, points for the smell and for the lasting power of the smell. Also, I mean, my kitchen table wasn't super dirty, but I do feel like it got it clean, if that makes sense. But don't worry, we're gonna test other areas of the house just to test it on all the different surfaces. But so far, I'm loving it. I also am super impressed with the bottle. That is one thing that I wasn't entirely sure of, but the spray, like, with this bottle is incredible. Incredible, like, I love it. All right, so it's time to test it out on here. You can kind of see there's like dust and crumbs and stuff on here. So let's see how this holds up. Now I don't know, just because this table is old and, you know, kind of grungy looking already, I don't know if you can tell the difference that it made, but it did do a lot. So I'm pretty impressed with that. And again, it smells so amazing. I'm just gonna take this. I don't know if you can see like all that product that came out, which is like awesome because a lot of times I feel like spray bottles, it just doesn't always do that. You have to like spray and spray and spray to get it like to come out. You guys, look at all of that it's just like getting off and getting clean. I love that. Okay, let's do this right here. Very nice. It works on wood, so that is nice. And it just like works for like all the different surfaces, which is so nice because it is kind of a pain when you have to get like different cleaners for different spaces. So this is really nice if you just want one cleaner that can pretty much work on any surface. This is actually a really good product. Like, and I'm not just saying that, like, this is I'm honestly super impressed, and I didn't think I was gonna love this as much as I do, but seriously, the scent, and the spray bottle and everything about it. I just really, really love it. So it is time to put this to the test. I'm gonna be cleaning the bathroom counter and the mirror, so we will see how this spray works on that, and I'm really excited about it. So yeah, let's just get to it. Okay, so here are my thoughts on the product as a glass cleaner. It actually does a pretty nice job. I will say I feel like you have to wipe down like a couple times for it to kind of clear up a little bit, but that could just be me using the product for the first time and maybe not knowing how to work with the product, because I feel like with glass cleaners, they're all kind of different and you have to know how to like wipe them down in order for them to not be streaky. I think that most glass cleaners you can make not streaky if you know how to use the product. So yeah, it does work. The section that I did actually looks really, really nice, like when you get up close. So yeah, it's a win for the glass cleaner as well as the countertop. I'm gonna keep cleaning this and then I will show you guys when I'm done, because I hate cleaning the bathroom and I hate filming in here because lighting sucks and it's very echoey. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that, and I will show you guys the finished product when I'm done. But I did want to show you guys like me actually using the product on the mirror and the counter, and I really love it. And okay guys, we are clean. So I do think it works really well in the mirrors, but you do have to like make sure that you're really wiping it down and like, you know, but it looks really good. And now my bathroom smells minty fresh. Okay guys, the last place that I'm gonna clean today is the kitchen. I just need to wipe down the counters, the stove, my microwave, all of that. Alright guys, so my cleaning for the day is done. Final review of the product. I absolutely love it. It worked on every surface that I tried it on, and I tried it on multiple things. It smells amazing. I feel like it really did a nice job of cleaning everything, and I just love it. I think it is so amazing that Meg came out with a cleaning product. I think that is really cool. But that is gonna be it for this review slash clean with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and join our family for more cleaning content. And I will see you guys next week with a new video. Bye guys.